here at the DeSo NoCode Institute, we've got one main mission that we want to accomplish. We want to build plugins and templates for aspiring cryptopreneurs who want to launch and jumpstart their blockchain applications. And of course, we do this by embracing the no-code movement. What the no-code movement is really trying to accomplish is to let entrepreneurs and small to mid-sized companies to be able to deploy their MVPs of their products and business ideas in a matter of weeks. I've said this many times before, but let me just refresh your mind about this. Coding is expensive. Coding is a hassle. You got to hire a bunch of different developers if you want to build something out by coding. No code, on the other hand, is cheap, it's efficient, and we've already seen how the no code movement has completely transformed the way business operate, for example, in WordPress and many other platforms and infrastructures. So how do we actually leverage the no code part of our institute? Well, it's actually pretty cool because we chose Bubble, which is the #1 no code platform to actually build out web applications. Bubble truly is the market leader. There is no other no-code platform like Bubble. It was founded a decade ago, not too long after Bitcoin was founded, actually. Just a couple of years after it. And I'm just going to go ahead and give you 10 reasons why we actually chose Bubble to be our no-code platform of choice. #1, it's the market leader. Like I said, there's no other no-code platform like Bubble. You probably would be surprised by the amount of applications out there that were built with Bubble. #2, there's a great developer community inside Bubble. If you are a new developer working with Bubble, you're never going to feel on your own. I mean, there's so many people out there giving so many amazing tips. We're probably soon going to be one of those people that actually share knowledge and experience because we're actually building up some real reputation here. But just to give you an idea, the platform already serves like more than 1 million users in volume, and it has processed more than $1 billion in transactions. #3, integration capabilities. So what makes Bubble so cool is the fact that even though you can pretty much build anything you want, you can even choose to integrate with third-party services if you wanted to. Like you can hook it up to Google Analytics, you can hook it up to QuickBooks, you can hook it up to pretty much anything that has an API. And this just makes building Bubble applications more powerful than ever before. #4, my favorite probably, the plugin and marketplace template. Just like the DeSo NoCode Institute built a plugin to be able to actually interoperate with the DeSo blockchain, there are like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different plugins that you can use for your Bubble application. There are literally applications integrating with Booking, QuickBooks, with Airbnb. Like the possibilities are endless thanks to all these different plugins. If you got a cool blockchain project, go to DeSoNoCode.com. Reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. #5, there's a full stack solution. I'm actually super proud of the amount of effort that the DeSo NoCode Institute has put into both the front end and the back end of our applications. And Bubble actually lets you handle this in a stunningly way. Like literally, you can take care of both front end and back end. UI, UX, it's stunning. The user interface to create applications is super friendly, and making it possible for users and developers to just implement everything about your web application within one platform is actually quite powerful. You don't have to learn multiple programming languages. You don't have to learn how to use different tools. It's just one thing and you handle everything. #5, it's obviously mobile responsive. So whatever you build, it's obviously going to work for both desktop and mobile. This is actually still probably inside the developer community, inside WordPress, for example, a main hassle. If you make use of a no-code builder, oftentimes it's actually quite tricky to make sure that you're optimizing for both platforms. Bubble actually makes this quite simple. And if you need some help, just reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. #7, I think. Your web applications can actually turn into native apps for the Google Play Store and the App Store very easily. This just lets you create a piece of real estate inside your user's mobile phone, and it's actually quite powerful. Again, I mean, we haven't used this as much yet, but there's definitely use cases if you want to do this. #8, customization and styling. So this is actually important in terms of branding, and it ties back to the whole being able to customize UI, UX, pretty much everything. You can take care of every little detail on your site. Your web application is yours and you can customize it however you want. Colors, fonts, logos, anything you can think of. It's yours, do your thing. #9, we're almost getting there. Bubble comes with an integrated development environment. What this means is that it allows for full stack debugging and code management. It's super easy to develop, it's super easy to test, and it's super easy to deploy applications and test them quickly and effectively. It also comes with features such as syntax highlighting, auto completion, and error checking, which helps streamline the whole process of creating applications. And of course, if you're thinking about onboarding more team members or something, you can stack up to 40 people in there. So if you're going big, don't worry, you can go as big as you want. Number 10 and last one, and not least important, let's talk about security. So much like half of the internet today, Bubble is built on AWS cloud infrastructure, which also includes S3 for videos and images. And of course, today there's probably nothing as secure as Amazon Web Services. There's like a gazillion of different S&P 500 companies that make use of AWS, including Netflix, Robinhood, some others. From a development standpoint, point-in-time data recovery is a standard throughout Bubble, which allows developers to recover their applications in case something weird happens. Trust me, I've built many applications, we've built many different sorts of websites and apps, and things do happen. The fact that you can just go back in time and, get rid of whatever mess you did, it's pretty cool, quite worth the investment. And of course, there's obviously security detail logs in case something happens and you want to do some research and dig into stuff. That's obviously a thing with Bubble. So in conclusion, all these 10 reasons, and there's probably more that I left out for this video, made us choose Bubble as our main no-code platform to build web applications on the DeSo blockchain. We firmly believe that the DeSo plugins and templates that we're building will allow our users to leapfrog ahead of other DeSo developers, bringing to market new, faster solutions than ever before. If you're interested in building something cool on DeSo and you want to talk to us, you can just go to DeSoNoCode.com, submit your application, and we'll be more than happy to talk to you. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.